Hey, what's up guys, this is Sandeep Sky and today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 LTSC on VirtualBox. So open your web browser and search for Windows 11 LTSC download. Click on the Windows link from the Microsoft website, scroll down and download the Windows 11 IoT Enterprise LTSC. Now click on the download button. Now you need to fill this form. You can fill it any random data. So I'm just going to quickly fill this form. I'll click on download now. Now download the first option, which is x64 AMD 64 edition. Now since I have already downloaded, I'm not going to download again. Now if you want to install it on real hardware, then you can also download Rufus, which is a tool that allows to make a bootable USB of Windows. So you can download if you want to install it on real hardware. Otherwise you can close your web browser and open VirtualBox. So I'm going to open VirtualBox and click on new, and now I'm going to give it Windows 11 LTSC. Now select the ISO image which we just downloaded. Now check skip unintended installation. After that, increase the memory up to 6 GB if you can, and also make now press any key on the keyboard to boot from the ISO. So here check keep the first option and make sure to check this checkbox and then click on next. Now accept the license terms. Now since this is a VirtualBox, you don't need to worry about disk partition. Just click on unallocated space and click on next. Now click on install. This process is going to take a while, so I'm going to really fast forward this part. So finally we have completed the installation. Now it is asking us to sign in. So if you are connected to internet, it will force you to sign in using Microsoft account. So you can bypass this by disconnecting from the internet. So let me just quickly disconnect from the internet in my VirtualBox. Now after disconnecting from Ethernet and restarting the VirtualBox, now it will allow me to create a local account. So finally the setup part is complete for Windows 11 LTSC. So as you can see, we do not have that many apps right here. So if we check all apps, as you can see, this is very minimal. You don't even have the Microsoft Store app, but you do get the Microsoft Edge. So if you go into the settings and then go into the about, you can see the Windows version. It is based off Windows 11 24H2. Now let's check the resource uses of this version of Windows. So if you go into performance, as you can see, it is using very less memory, which is 2 GB. The base Windows 11 Pro uses almost twice as that. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching.